Hey everyone, how's it going? This is E30 Sheds Good. We're up at our shop in northwestern Wisconsin to install a temp gauge on Blackie today. So,
what's up? We got this old sensor that's broken. We're gonna try and use it to make a little adapter bung for this aftermarket one. It's like M12 threads, and we're trying to go to 8th MPT. So, trying to pull this plastic out somehow, some way.
not helpful.
We'll get it.
So pulling it out seemed a little bit too hard, so we're just gonna torch it and make it easier.
It's got a juicy center.
See it? There it is.
Hey!
Now we just roast the wires.
Alright, this is what it looks like without all the guts in it. It goes like past this top level almost, recessed, so. That's the thing that was in there.
That's fucking
some like wires, I don't know. But we're gonna use it as a bungholio.
So is the plan that you tap and have this go in there?
Yeah. So that's our plan. That's the new sensor. We're gonna tap a hole through that and then thread that in there.
Okay, so what we're going to do right now is just cut all this out so that way it can actually fit in the car. This is a little bit too tall. The fuel rail is sitting right above this, and it's you just can't get to it. So I'm going to try and cut this off with a little grinding wheel and see how that goes. So. Eats it like butter, so that's good.
Holy shit.
Things and sparks everywhere. That really did eat it though, pretty well.
Ate it up. It's probably brass or something, but yeah, you see, that's what we're gonna be working with for the bungholio. Grinder master, grinder app, aficionado.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna make the pilot hole for the big drill, and yeah.
There it went.
Yeah, completely perpendicular.
This is the worst drill bit on earth. Jeepers creepers. Jeez Louise.
Probably another one.
So we got the hole right through there, you know, see the message a bit sucks, so yeah, we're gonna blow it up and see how it looks. Hey everyone, so what we're doing right here is we grabbed these two wires and we put those through the firewall, through a little bung there, and these are gonna be our two wires that go to the sensor up front in the temperature housing. So, from here, we're gonna wire these into the wires that I had previously done when I put in the radio. So we have this white one with a black is my ground wire that I had to put in, grounded to my cigarette lighter, and then this red one is the power. So what we're gonna do is untake my tie job and solder the third wire into there, and then find the ground, solder that into there.
There we go.
There we go. So you see, we have the ground to the radio, to our other ground, to our other black ground to the sensor. We also did that to the powers supplies, so that's all good and ready.
Good.
Yeah.
All right, we're Starmen waiting for Major Tom Control here.
Oh boy.
Hey!
Hey, my radio works too.
Lights up. Oh, it's blue. Water temp. The sensor's not plugged in, so I think it just reads 70 kind of randomly, but yeah, it's all wired up.
So you can see in here we have our wires going through that grommet back there. So the red and black one that goes under our intake. Zip tie it to our oil catch can too, because we know it's not going to get hot. I kind of want to keep it a little bit off the engine, make it a little bit easier for it not to get burnt or anything like that, even though it won't get like hopefully too hot. Then we have the two sensors right here, and this is our final contraption. So we took I believe this was a brake line
It's
piece.
a quick connect for the air compressor.
Yeah, there we go. And then we have our sensor up top here, and we JB welded the sensor into the quick connect. And yeah,
Yeah, so it's removable.
removable-ish. So that's probably the best we could do after we tried and failed a bunch.
Let's see if it works.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so because this glove box has to open, we're now gonna put the gauge down like that, and the wire's just gonna run up black tape so it looks a little better. We're gonna drill some holes in this and zip tie it there.
Says 70.
70.
Could be.
Maybe that's the lowest number it reads.
That'd be.
I think it has to heat up.
That could be a thing. I could see that being a thing.
We're gonna see if it leaks. Don't see any leaks right away. Burn like a kitten.
Oh,
There's the dude right there. Alright, we're gonna go in the whip and see if this thing's working.
sounds good. So we're in the car here. We got it started, and it's heated up a little bit. So as you can see, so we're at 120 now. It's just 119. So it's working. It's going up slowly. It's climbing. So that's dope. 121. So we see it's working.
The wire.
Yeah, we got the wires kind of, out there, but we decided that's going to be the best place. We wanted to put it up here, but then we realized, well, there's the glove box, so we can't have that. So we put it down here. It's kind of inconspicuous. Doesn't really get too much in the way of anyone's legs. And so you see, it has, just water temp, and then it also has a little warning light. So if by chance it overheats or just goes bonkers, it should warn me, and then I can turn it off in time. So that's kind of that's honestly the only reason I really want the temp gauge, is because it's your first indicator that your car is going to blow up, If you can catch that, you can save your car rather than, blow it the fuck up and not have a car.
Be unmeant, dude.
It'd be unmet, yeah. So.
Well, cool. That's our install. Hope you enjoyed it. What's up? Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
It's a pretty dank install. We'll get some more videos out soon when the weather gets a little better here, but stay tuned for some more cool content for sure.
Yeah, stay tuned. We'll probably throw up the bloopers from what we did wrong on this project, because there's a lot of that. Comment, like, subscribe. Every comment we appreciate, every subscribe we really appreciate. So. Hey guys, so we're just going ahead and driving right now, and after a little bit of research, we found out that the the operating temperature for the M20 engine is around 176 degrees Fahrenheit. So right now we've been probably running for about 10 or so minutes. We're at 173, and I've seen it go from around there down to 168 as I got cruising. So we can tell that it's operating around the temperature we want it to, which is really cool to see. We're not having any problems getting above that so far, which is a lot better to see. This is the first drive with the new temperature sensor in, and our new temperature